In India's dense forests, wildfire response is race against time. Saving time means saving a priceless piece of jungle. But too often, precious moments are lost to one burning question. How do we get water to the fire? What if water could follow the fire wherever it goes? Now, it's possible with our portable water relay system. Firefighters can quickly deploy our self-raising inflatable tanks in safe zones by helicopter, ATV, or even hand-carried by a small team. Water is drawn from nearby sources to fill inflatable tanks. Backpack pumps are rugged hoses, then relay water swiftly across distance up to a kilometer, leapfrogging through rugged terrain. This is more than a tool, it's a lifeline. Our smart water relay system delivers water exactly where it's needed most. Equipped with the relay system, now firefighters can beat fires anywhere. No fire is too remote. No terrain is too tough. अब रहेगा जंगल सुरक्षित.